Imagine you're standing at the ATM, ready to withdraw some cash. You insert your Tide card, and a familiar bank logo appears on the screen. But which bank is it? Is it a global giant, a regional powerhouse, or a smaller, more local institution? Tide is a popular digital banking platform that offers a range of financial services, from current accounts and savings to international payments and investments. But despite its growing popularity, many people are still unsure about the bank behind the Tide brand. In this video, we'll delve into the mystery of Tide's banking partner and explore the reasons why Tide might have chosen this particular bank. We'll also discuss the implications for Tide customers and what they can expect from their banking relationship. The Tide Bank Connection. While Tide doesn't operate as a traditional bank itself, it relies on a banking partner to provide the core banking infrastructure and regulatory oversight. This partnership is crucial for Tide to offer a wide range of financial services and ensure the safety and security of its customers' funds. So, who is Tide's banking partner? Well, it's a bit of a secret. Tide has been rather tight-lipped about the details, likely to maintain a degree of independence and flexibility in its operations. However, there have been a few clues and speculations over the years. Some people believe that Tide's banking partner is a large, well-established bank in the UK, while others suggest it could be a smaller, more specialized institution. Why this partnership? Regardless of the specific bank involved, Tide's choice of partner is likely influenced by several factors. Regulatory compliance. Tide needs a banking partner that is fully licensed and regulated to ensure that it meets all legal requirements and protects its customers' interests. Technology infrastructure. The partner must have a robust and scalable technology platform to support Tide's digital-first approach and growing customer base. Financial stability. A strong and financially sound banking partner is essential to provide stability and confidence to Tide's customers. Flexibility and customization. Tide likely seeks a partner that is willing to tailor its services to meet Tide's unique needs and allow for innovation and growth. Implications for Tide customers. The identity of Tide's banking partner may not directly impact the day-to-day experience of its customers. Tide's own app and website provide the primary interface for interacting with its services. However, the partner's financial stability and reputation can indirectly affect customers' confidence in Tide. If the partner is a well-known and respected bank, it can lend credibility and trust to Tide's brand. Additionally, the partner's technology infrastructure can influence the speed, efficiency, and reliability of Tide's services. A modern and advanced banking platform can enhance the customer experience and minimize disruptions. While we may not have a definitive answer to the question of what bank is Tide with, we can understand the factors that drive Tide's choice of partner and the implications for its customers. Ultimately, the most important thing for Tide customers is that their funds are safe and secure, and that they have access to a reliable and convenient banking platform. As long as Tide's banking partner meets these criteria, the specific identity of the bank may be less relevant. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.